Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Some days all you want is something warm, simple and full of flavor. This egg drop curry is exactly that. Place a pan on medium flame, heat little oil in it, add half inch of ginger chopped, 6 small cloves of garlic, add 1 1/2 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 6 cloves, 9 black peppercorns, 2 Kashmiri chilies and 3 button chilies. Add 1 sliced onion, 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 teaspoon of khaskhas, 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder, few coriander leaves washed and chopped, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, one green chili slit. Once the coconut turns light golden in color, remove the pan from the flame and keep aside. Place a kadai on medium flame, heat little oil in it. Add 1 chopped onion. Saute until the onions turn translucent. Add little salt. Half teaspoon heaped of ginger garlic paste. One chopped tomato. I'm adding few curry leaves. It's optional. If you want, you can skip it. Once sauteed, switch off the flame. Once the sauteed masala is cooled completely, transfer into a mixer jar. Add small lime-sized tamarind soaked in water. Add water and grind into a smooth paste. Turn on the flame. Pour the ground masala into the sauteed ingredients. Mix well. Add water as required and mix. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add little stock powder and mix. Add salt as per your taste. Add more water if required and mix. Once the gravy starts simmering slightly, turn the flame to low. Break one egg in a small bowl, add a pinch of salt. Gently slide it into the gravy. Wait for a few seconds. Now slide in another egg with a pinch of salt, leaving a little space from the first egg. Wait for a few seconds. In the same manner, place the other eggs also. Remember to leave space between the eggs. I used 6 eggs for this recipe. Now do not stir the egg curry. Let it cook until the eggs are ready. Once the eggs are cooked, gently stir the egg curry. I'm garnishing with some fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped. The egg curry is now ready. I'm switching off the flame. The eggs are soft, the gravy is flavorful, and everything comes together so beautifully on the plate. It's the kind of meal that doesn't shout, just quietly satisfies. If you enjoyed this recipe, I've shared many more simple homely dishes on my channel, from Goan classics to everyday comfort food. You can explore those anytime you are in the mood for something real. And if you'd like to support, feel free to subscribe. If you like this video, do give it a like and share it with your family and friends. See you all in my next video. Until then, happy cooking and thanks for watching.